Hey Kelly, hope your day was busy and successful. This is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. R&S Lawn Sprinklers. Now the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy to run the business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you Sergio, can you please do this for me? So, if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, you see skills that help your business grow and land more customers, you can shoot me a message back, we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try it yourself, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I'd like to go over is your content. So, within your business, in order to be optimized with Google, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. And I found your site has about 149 currently. So in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be going over Heritage Lawn and Irrigation. Now, with your competitors, they have about 600 words to fill the keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times. So, as you can see, when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs, and looking at it, you can see what your site is dense with. You have about 278 backlinks, 32 referring domains, and 335 organic keywords. So clicking on organic keywords, I'm going to be going over what goes into a keyword and what it is. So R&S Lawn Care, right? Each keyword has a volume KD, cost per click, traffic, and position tab. Now the position derives how much traffic's being put out to this keyword or how much traffic's coming in from this keyword. And it also derives off how much volume this keyword gets searched per month. So say you have Butterfly Garden, Kansas City. You have 40 volume, 0 KD to rank, which is pretty easy, and yeah, 1 person coming in to this from this keyword per month. Now, if you were in the first position, you'd probably be getting around like 10, 20 people per month from this keyword because it has a 40 volume. So say 20 volume, you get 5 people because he's in the first position. So let's go over to your competitor. Best Lawn Care, Heritage Lawns. Now you can see that they have some pretty high ranking words. Lawn service near me. Now this gets 20,000 searches per month. He's in the 10th position for it, so he's bringing in about 421 people per month. Now I really want you to pay attention to the golden keywords that have a niche and a city. Let's see if I can find one real quick. Lawn care, Olathe, Kansas. Now this is the best keyword set to use for local client-based people or buyer intent people. So you got 150 people searching this keyword per month, and he's only ranking number 17 for it. So this would be an easy snatch for you to take. And this would probably bring, if you rank this number 1, like he's on rank number 2, he's bringing 17 people. If you rank this number 1, you could be bringing in about 40 people per month to your site using this sole keyword. But now that you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword, I'm going to go over the next optimization section. Sorry, I can't talk. And this is what I call the Google Map Pack or Maps. So I did a search for Kansas City Lawn Care. Pretty basic search, but it has about 260 people searching this keyword per month. So that's people that you could be getting easily if you rank in the maps. But you have JS Lawn Care, KC, Pro Mobile Lawn Care, Aaron's Lawn Care. They all have some things in common. You have a business name, an address, and a phone number, aka maps. It's probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, getting your 5-star ratings up, of course, will definitely help you boost your reputation. But behind the scenes, I use this little tool called WhiteSpark inside Tools, a local citation finder. So to answer your question, this is how you do it. You have 32 citation sources, a little bit of citations. I can definitely get some more. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, StatesStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a citation, how to get them, let's go over to the next important thing. And this is the next most important optimization. We call this thing that gives your site authority, link juice. So I do this search for Kansas City Lawn Care, right? I go back to its organic listings. You see the ads, of course, at the top because they're paying for those. I also add in the Google Map Pack. But scroll past that, you see Heritage Lawns is ranking number 1, Lawn Starters number 2. You have some blogs, Yelp, BenjaminLawn.com, and LawnLove.com. Now this is where you need to be. And to get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, simply put it, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there is a little more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. So, for example, if you have a relative site, say lawnlove.com, linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you, because you don't sling pizzas for a living. So I'm going to bring Eris again. And if you're looking to use this tool, pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that any sites may have to offer. So take a look at your backlinks and your link juice. This is a little bit, but you can see where the links are coming from, yellow pages, and where they're going to, your home page. You see what the anchor text is, website, right? Now this is nice, right? So you can do this with every single business in your area or any business nationally in the world, right? So taking a look at your competitors, Heritage Lawn Care, let's just see what they're linking at. So look, shop local, 55 DR 27 UR. This is a good site to get a link from, but they also have 326 other people linking back from that. So you see where it's coming from, where it's going to. Scrolling down, take every single one they have and make them your own. Alright, so that pretty much does it. I'm going to go over the content, citations, and backlinks again. So for your content, just a friendly reminder, you want at least 1,500 words throughout your home page. And these need to be linked with keywords from backlinks as well. That's how you rank this home page. Now, every service page and these location pages you have, you want at least 700 to 1,000. Unless you want to start ranking them like your home page, and 1,500 and more words won't hurt, but keyword stuffing will. Secondly, your citations. You need more relevant you need more citations so you guys can beat out the competition by a landslide. And for your links, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio, and my number is 816-654-5822. I look forward to hearing from you, Kelly, and you have a good one.